everyone, welcome to Crack Defense Exam. So guys, we are back with our series of important days in the month. In this series, we will do the February month national and international days. Okay, so without doing any delay, let's start our video. The February 1st is celebrated as the Indian Coast Guard Foundation Day. Okay, and in this year we celebrated the 45th Foundation Day of Indian Coast Guard. The present Director General of Indian Coast Guard is K. Natarajan, and the motto of it is We Protect. Come on to our next point, February 2. The February 2 is celebrated as World Wetlands Day, and this year theme was Wetlands and Water. It is celebrated to mark the anniversary of the signing of the Convention on Wetlands of International Importance, that is we called as Ramsar Convention in Ramsar, Iran on 2nd of February 1971. Ramsar is a place in Iran where the convention is signed to protect the wetlands. That's why we call it as Ramsar Convention. February 4th is celebrated as World Cancer Day. It is organized by Union for International Cancer Control, that is UICC. UICC is founded in 1933 and it is based in Geneva, that is the Switzerland. World Cancer Day started from 2000 and this year theme is I am and I will. According to the report, 1 out of 4 persons died in the world due to cancer. Okay. On February 4th, there is also a day, that is the International Day of Human Fraternity is celebrated. And this year, that is the 2021, this is the first International Day of Human Fraternity. Means the first time we celebrated International Day of Human Fraternity is 2021 because it is the first time. Okay. February 6th, International Day of Zero Tolerance to Female Genital Mutilation, and its theme is No Time for Global Inaction, Unite, Fund and Act to End Female Genital Mutilation. This is very important for the exam purpose, as you know that WHO always very concerned about female hygiene. Okay, so make sure to remember the International Day of Zero Tolerance to Female Genital Mutilation. Now, February 9th. February 9th, we celebrated it as Safer Internet Day. Okay, it is not celebrated on February 9th, but it is celebrated on the second day of second week of February. And this year, second day of second week of February comes under February 9. That's why we celebrated 9th February as Safer Internet Day. And this year theme is Together for a Better Internet. Okay, make sure to remember it. On February 9th, we also celebrated it as the death anniversary of Baba Amte. Okay, and make sure to remember this point that Baba Amte is known as modern Gandhi of India. In some papers, we will find the question who is known as the modern Gandhi of India, and there are 4 options. So out of 4 you have to tick the right one. That is the Baba Amte is known as the modern Gandhi of India. Okay. Now the next one is February 10th. February 10th is celebrated as World Pulses Day, Vishwa Dalhan Divas, and it was celebrated, it was started from 2019. Okay, this year it is the third World Pulses Day. Okay, and this year theme was nutritious seeds for a sustainable future. Okay, and the next information regarding World Pulses Day is World Pulses Day fall under second goal of the United Nation. And what is the second goal of United Nation? It is the zero hunger. As you know that United Nation has set so many goals which they have to complete till 2030. Okay, and out of them there is the one goal which is a zero hunger. Okay, it is the second goal of United Nations, that is the zero hunger, and under this goal there is a day which the UN celebrated, and the day is World Pulses Day for the nutritious future. Okay, February 10th is also celebrated as National Deworming Day. In India, we celebrated it as National Deworming Day. Okay. Come on to our next point, that is the February 11th. International Day of Women and Girls in Science. This day is celebrated from 2015. So, this year, this is the 6th International Day of Women and Girls in Science, and the theme of this year is Women Scientists at the Forefront of the Fight Against COVID-19. As you have seen that so many women scientists do their work against the COVID-19. Okay. So February 11th is International Day of Women and Girls in Science. The second day, the day which is celebrated on February 11th is Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay death anniversary. And this year the government of India celebrated the Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay death anniversary as Samarpan Divas. Okay. February 12th, that is the Swami Dayanand Saraswati birth anniversary, where in Tankara. Okay. February 12th is also celebrated as National Productivity Day, and it was organized by National Productivity Council, that how much production is done in country. Okay, how much efficiency is there. February 13th, World Radio Day, and this year theme is New World, New Radio. Jagdish Chandra Bose, the Indian scientist, play a significant role for the invention of radio in the world. Okay, so make sure to remember his name for exam purposes. February 13th is also celebrated as National Women Day. National Women Day is celebrated on the occasion of birth anniversary of Sarojini Naidu, and Sarojini Naidu is also known as Bharatiya Kokila, that is the Nightingale of India. Okay. February 20th is celebrated as World Day of Social Justice. It's not on February 20th, but it's on the third Saturday of February. And this year theme is a call for social justice in the digital economy. Okay. February 20 is also celebrated as World Pangolin Day, that is the third Saturday of February, and first time it was celebrated in 2012, that is 2012. Okay. February 21 is celebrated as International Mother Language Day, and this year theme is fostering multilingualism for inclusion in education and society. Okay. February 24th, Central Excise Day. Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs organized the Central Excise Day. This day is celebrated so that the citizens of the country knows about the indirect tax, knows about the excise tax. So that's why we celebrated Central Excise Day on 24th of February. Okay, 27th of February is celebrated as World NGO Day, World Non-Government Organization Day. Okay, February 28th, National Science Day, the birth anniversary of C.V. Raman, because he also got a Nobel Prize for the Raman effect. Okay, and this year theme is Future of STI, Impact on Education, Skills and Work. Okay, so guys, these are the important national and international days of February month. Don't worry, we will continue this series and will bring you all the months national and international day. If you like our video, please click on the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share. You can also join us on our Telegram channel, that is the Quick Defense Exam Official. The link is given in the description box. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you and never give up.